A lady taught me this roller coaster cookie recipe that all the kids will love. Let's start by adding half a cup of milk, then half a cup of oil and 3 eggs to a container. Remembering the cup I'm using is 240 milliliters. Now add a bit of salt. We're going to mix and beat all this very well with the help of a whisk. After mixing well, now we'll add the tapioca starch. Here folks, you can use either sour or sweet tapioca starch, but the sour one will be even better. Remember folks, you can find all the utensils used in this recipe at the pour in the kitchen store. Now we just need to take it. Here, I'm going to use an oval baking dish. I'll grease it with a bit of oil, but you can use margarine if you prefer. Once that's done, now we just need to take all of our mixture and add it to our dish. Now, on top, I'm going to grate some mozzarella, but you can also use the cheese of your choice. Once that's done folks, now we just need to take it. Let's take it to the oven. Let it bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. And look folks, how amazing this coaster cookie turns out. Super fast, easy, and delicious. I do it at your house and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from Pour in the Kitchen. That big hug. See you next time and thanks.